Hey everyone, today we're diving into something that's been blowing up my DMs, the 1111 Wealth Code. If you've been searching for a way to finally break through financial roadblocks, manifest abundance, or just understand the real secrets behind wealth creation, this might be your answer. Let's break it down. So what exactly is the 1111 Wealth Code? From what I've uncovered, it's not your average get-rich-quick scheme. Instead, it's a mindset-first system combining timeless wealth principles with actionable steps to rewire your relationship with money. Think of it as a blueprint to align your goals, habits, and energy with financial freedom. Here's what stood out to me. 1. The 1111 Manifestation Framework. They use the power of angel numbers, like 1111, as a trigger for gratitude and goal setting. Even if you're skeptical about numerology, the daily rituals here are surprisingly practical. 2. Debunking Money Myths. This program calls out toxic beliefs holding people back. Money is evil, rich people are greedy, and replaces them with empowering truths. Step-by-step financial hacks, budgeting templates, side hustle ideas, and even investment basics for total beginners. No fluff, just clear strategies. And the community. If you're someone who needs accountability, the 1111 Wealth Code apparently has a super active group where members share wins, troubleshoot challenges, and keep each other motivated. That's huge for staying on track. Now, let's talk results. I haven't tried this myself yet, but the testimonials I've seen are wild. People paying off debt, starting businesses, or finally hitting savings goals they thought were impossible. One person even said it helped them negotiate a 30% raise. Of course, you've got to put in the work, but the tools are all here. The downsides, if you're already a finance expert, some modules might feel basic. And if you hate self-reflection, the mindset work could feel woo-woo at first. But for anyone feeling stuck or overwhelmed by money, this could be a game changer. Want to try it? I'll drop the link below so you can check it out yourself. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the 1111 Wealth Code or if you want me to test drive it and report back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our deep dives into wealth, success, and living your best life. Stay abundant, my friends.